Hello, this is Alan with Satechi. In this video I'm going to be going over some troubleshooting with our Bluetooth smart trigger. Sometimes the Bluetooth smart trigger will not be able to reconnect to your phone even after it's been paired. This is usually a result of changing the battery. Whenever the batteries are changed in the smart trigger, the Bluetooth preferences on the receiver won't be remembered, so you'll have to manually repair. Now there's a bit of a process to go through before you can do this. You have to delete the Bluetooth profile of the smart trigger in two different locations on your phone, so I'll demonstrate how to do that now. So right now I have the smart trigger connected to my phone, and as you can see by the status light on the smart trigger receiver, it's working. My phone is sending signals to it. I can connect if I touch it in my Bluetooth menu in the smart trigger app. But if I were to leave the smart trigger app and take out the batteries of the smart trigger receiver, that would reset the Bluetooth preferences of the receiver. So I even got a notification that said the smart trigger moved out of range. If I go back into the app here and try and reconnect, nothing happens. I'm brought up with no connection, and I can't use the smart trigger. So the steps to reconnect the smart trigger, you have to delete the profile from two places. The first one is in the app itself. You just slide your finger across where you had the Bluetooth profile before and touch delete, and then you say forget tag. The next place you have to go is your settings menu. You would go to settings and then select Bluetooth, and it would show that the smart trigger is connected in your Bluetooth list. You would just select it there and then touch forget this device. And then when you go back to the smart trigger app, you can go back to the scan page, put the smart trigger in pairing mode by holding the button on top for 4 seconds, and then touch scan again in the app, and it will ask you to pair, and then you can select it and you are all paired and ready to use the smart trigger again. So just remember that whenever you are replacing the battery, or if you ever can't connect your smart trigger receiver to your phone, just remember you have to delete both of those Bluetooth settings from both the app and your Bluetooth menu in your settings. For more news and info about the smart trigger, stay tuned to our website at satechi.net and our Facebook page at facebook.com/Satechi. Thanks for watching.